The hell?
Maybe just fast forward a lot of those. Yeah.
It's not in that bad a shape. Pull it towards you, wrap it evenly. Other side now. You don't want to damage the compressor wheel.
No,
It's already damaged. Thing's on there tight.
Yeah, it is.
Look at that.
Whoa. Look at that surprise in there.
Why would that be in there?
The hell?
You know what I think happened is it came out of the turbo.
Come out of where the seal plate's at?
Yeah.
Shit.
That is crazy.
Let's see where it rubbed on the...
Look at the whole back of the wheel. It's just completely gone.
Crazy. That's a new one.
That's what happens when you don't put the C-clip in there right.
Oh, it's gonna go the other way.
Yeah, you're gonna loosen it like a normal nut.
Good Lord.
May as well just pound
Oh,
that out with a
man.
hammer.
That ain't going nowhere. The turbine's still in the right shape there?
I don't think so. I think it rubbed, didn't it?
Just hit it.
Doesn't matter, we're upgrading it anyway.
Probably need
I need to heat that
Might-
thing up.
No, I might just get a. It's come out easy to see
Center
a
punch?
punt. You know,
No, that's kind of surprising. But this thing right here was wedged in the compressor housing. Like it fully came out of there and then went through the compressor wheel.
Right.
See, look what it did to the back of that. And it ripped the whole exducer of the wheel off.
Yeah, dude. That made a heck of a racket.
Yeah.
destroyed. It's just destroyed that collar.
Yeah.
Hey, it looks like you had an upgraded rebuild kit, maybe. I don't know. Check that thing out. Yeah, they had an upgraded rebuild kit at least. But this still needs to be cut. Let's see that. Well, that may have been where it failed and had kind of shaft flow, but you still need to cut that. Check the backside. Let's see how the seal area looks. I'm gonna have to check that with a piston ring.
Mm-hmm.
What happened was they tried to push this thrust bearing onto the dowel pin, but they missed the hole somehow. And because of that, the thrust bearing was raised up. With the thrust bearing being raised up, this seal plate won't go down far enough for the C-clip to fit in there. And as a result of the C-clip not going down far enough and locking into the groove, the C-clip came out and destroyed the whole turbo. It was freshly rebuilt not that long ago, apparently, based on it having one of the upgraded rebuild kits in there. It has to be cut for the larger collar. It may have been okay, but it's kind of hard for me to determine that. It may have just looked like that from the shaft play. But we always cut them down just for extra clearance for the upgraded collar.